In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the text reveal animation in CapCut PC. To begin, I've imported this background onto my timeline over here. The next thing I'm going to do is to come over to the text bar over here and come over to the default text and select this plus sign over here to add the default text. Next, move this text to where you want your text reveal to begin and move your slider to where your text is. You can also adjust the length of your text to your liking. Next, come over to your text over here, double click on it and edit the text to say whatever you prefer. You can also come over to the text properties over here and adjust the text to your liking. The next thing you need to do is to come over to animation and ensure that you're on the in tab and scroll down and search for slide up. Next, change the duration to 1 second. And that's it guys on how to create the text reveal effect in CapCut PC.